nag-umpisa yung dancing on wheelchair last 1999. Parang therapy lang siya. Titingnan kung pwede ba, kung kaya ng may kapansanan. At nung na-realize nga namin na pwede pala, nagpa-practice kami sa Mandaluyong. At dahil under construction to, so talagang binubuhat kami, bubuhatin yung wheelchair. At saka talagang nandun talaga yung tulungan para makapag-practice lang kami araw-araw.
Hindi to about dance lang. This is about hope.
Sila na ngayon ang example ng hope sa buong mundo.
Pag sumasayaw ako, feeling ko nga may mga paa ako. Pero kahit hindi ko talaga sila naigagalaw, yung buong puso ko naman at yung buong katawan ko, todo bigay.
Kahit hindi na nila nagagamit yung mga paa nila, yung mga puso't isipan naman nila, ginagamit nila para makapag-perform ng maganda. Nakakatuwa kasi lalo kaming ginaganahan mag-perform.
Isa sa mga challenge na natanggap namin ng grupo ay yung isang miyembro namin ay nabuntis, kaya hindi talaga siya makasayaw. At sana hindi maka-apekto to sa performance namin sa quarterfinals, kahit kulang kami ng isa.
Hindi natin pinili na magkaroon tayo ng kapansanan. Ipakita natin kung ano yung meron tayong abilidad para hindi tayo maging pabigat sa mundo, kundi maging inspirasyon sa lahat.
You won't admit you love me, and so how am I ever to know? You always tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. A million times I've asked you, and then I ask you over again. You only answer, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. If you can make your mind up, we'll never get started. And I don't wanna wind up being parted, broken-hearted. So if you really love me, say yes. But if you don't, dear, confess. And please don't tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. If you can make your mind up, we'll never get started. Oh, and I don't wanna wind up being parted, broken-hearted. So if you really love me,